The state still reporting 4 deaths. That has not changed since yesterday, but we did see an increase in confirmed cases today. We now have 363 total cases. That is up from 277.
And to be clear, these numbers do not reflect the actual number of cases since, as you know, testing is being prioritized to those who are most at risk or those who are sick enough to be hospitalized. And that is why social distancing is so key right now. There are 44 patients right now with symptoms so bad they are being treated at hospitals, and those patients are in every age group from 30 years old and up.
And today, 2 states have shelter-in-place orders in effect.
California and New York both have confirmed cases in the thousands and have enacted major restrictions to keep people at home to fight the spread of coronavirus. And today, Contact 7 Chief Investigator Tony Kowaleski asked Governor Polis if he's considering that option.
And his response, Tony, what did he say?
Well, and Shannon, it's a critical issue right now, and he said it's a tool in his toolbox. He's been saying that all week long. He's monitoring it closely, the number of cases that are coming out, monitoring day by day. That's a key part of his decision. He also said that he's monitoring what's happening in California and in New York, but at this point, he says the state does not need to go to those measures.
All right, and the economy was another focus of that press conference today, Tony.
And Tony, we just got some new unemployment numbers. This week alone, the Colorado Labor Department has processed more than 20,000 claims, and that number is still climbing as we speak.
Still climbing in, and it's clearly a concern. They don't know how high it's going to go. Obviously, a lot of people out of work, a lot of people having difficulty getting into the state's website. The governor saying everyone should be patient. And at the news conference today, he made it really clear that the priority is helping people with this economic downturn, not only right now, but in the distant future.
The spread of the virus is not your fault. You should not lose your home or your utilities.
Colorado's governor continued to announce state help for residents, calling on utilities to not disconnect services for non-payment and saying state resources should not be used to enforce evictions.
We can't ask people to stay at home to stop the spread of coronavirus if we are not giving them the tools they need to be able to keep their home.
Governor Polis also recognized the impact the economic crunch has created on unemployment claims. Governor urging residents to file claims during non-peak hours.
You will not lose out on benefits. You will not lose out on eligibility.
Governor Polis also created a new economic council designed to guide the state through these uncertain economic times.
Together, this group will look at all of the policy tools and resources we have to minimize economic damage that this public health crisis is calling.
The governor has tasked the newly created Economic Council with providing his team with options and solutions to support Colorado residents. Leading the group, former Denver mayor and former U.S. Transportation Secretary Federico Pena.
This is a global economic challenge, the likes of which I have not seen in my lifetime. So speed is of the essence here, because first of all, we've got to help workers and companies that are struggling right now.
In this time of crisis, we truly have a common purpose: saving lives and lessening the impact of the virus.
2 other notes for you right now. The governor also extending the state income tax deadline for both businesses and for residents, saying they can now delay filing for 90 days. And he said he's expediting a process where there will be Monday, Wednesday testing. That continues to be in the works. Obviously, the economy and dealing with the health issue, the governor's priority as he continues to work through this as everything seems to change by the hour. Reporting live in Highlands Ranch, I'm Tony Kowaleski.
Yeah, you know people are looking for help out there. Tony, thank you. And communities across Colorado are working to make sure that people who need emergency financial assistance can get it. Arapahoe County, for example, activated a cash relief program today to help pay for medical care, food, child care, and other expenses that require cash. Contact 7 is here to help with how to apply. Families with at least 1 child and a combined income of less than $75,000 can start applying now at colorado.gov/peak.